After this recipe you will no longer fry French toast. Quick and simple. To start our recipe I will start breaking 4 loaves into pieces this way. This recipe is amazing. It will surprise you. Done this I will add 3 eggs in a blender. Then I will put 200 grams of heavy cream, then 395 grams of condensed milk. This recipe has become routine here at home. Now, a tablespoon of vanilla essence. Finally 600 milk. And I will beat everything very well, until all the ingredients mix in aggregate. I'm sure this recipe will also become routine in your home as soon as you try it. Now I will add the pieces of bread. In a pan grease with butter and flour. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Claudette Hopkinson from Vienna. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Then I will pour the mixture I made previously in the pan over the pieces of bread. This way spreading well. Finally I'll take half a cup of sugar and a little cinnamon to taste and I'll mix. Then I will sprinkle this mixture in our recipe, distributing well. This recipe is simply amazing and delicious. Make it at home and then come back here to tell me what you think. Tell me if you have any differentiated dessert recipe. I'd love to know. Now I'm going to bake in 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. After the time is ready, our recipe. Look how beautiful it was. Now just serve and enjoy. This delight has become one of my favorite recipes since the first time I tried it. Now I cannot stop doing. My friends always ask me to teach how to make this recipe so amazing that the result is this recipe is perfect to be the dessert of a family lunch. I'm sure everyone will love it and will ask you to teach how to do it. People, I love this recipe. I'm sure you and all your family will like it too. I do it myself every weekend, and when I do nothing, my family loves it and asks me to do it forever. This recipe is amazing. It's quick, easy, there are few ingredients, and best of all it's delicious. There's no reason for you not to do it in your home. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.